Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be the 10 crafty questions video. I have been seeing this video go around and I wanted to give it a go. You're supposed to be crafting as you answer these questions. So I have some rosettes I need to make for some projects and that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's get into the questions. I'll have the questions linked down below if you guys want to do the tag as well. I tag each and every one of you that watched this video. So question number 1. What's your name? Now you guys know me as Lily or Liller, but my full name is Liliana. Super long, I know you guys. I couldn't stand it as I was growing up. I used to hate the fact that I had to spell an 8-letter name while everyone had a short name around me. But that is my full name, Liliana. According to my mom, my dad's favorite name was Lily and his mom's name was Anna. So they combined the two and Liliana it is. So that is my name, you guys. Question number 2 is, how did you get your YouTube name? Well, since when I used to be a makeup artist, I used to go by Makeup by Liller. So when I was crafting, I thought it just sounded good. It's super basic, no long story behind it. I just thought it would be cute to be crafting with Liller. Super easy. I started off as planning with Liller because I could have sworn I was going to be this huge planner girl, but that was a lie. It wasn't my thing. So crafting with Liller was just the next thing to put, you know. And that's how I got my YouTube name, you guys. Nothing crazy, no crazy inspiration, super basic. Question number 3, favorite craft to make. I love making embellishments, you guys. I used to love making pocket letters and flip books, but I got bored because I think I used to make way too many. If I made them now, I would enjoy it more because I haven't made them in such a long time. But I love making all types of embellishments for every holiday, just seasons, super fun to make, and I just don't get tired of making them. I love making that and memory decks cards. That's definitely another fun thing to do. So I would say yes, embellishments is my favorite craft at the moment. Question number 4, favorite store. Now, I am not fortunate enough to have a Hobby Lobby or a Tuesday Morning, and I'm pretty sure those would be my favorite stores. But I only have a Michael's local to me, so a local store would be Michael's, but an online store would be scrapbook.com. I am always on that site. I'm always shopping from scrapbook.com. So that is as far as favorite store online and locally to me, Michael's and scrapbook.com. Question number 5, top 5 YouTube channels. So if we're going to speak on channels that I watch at the moment, it would have to be, of course, my girl Ada, the Paper Treasury. I always click on her videos just because she's super funny, always makes me laugh, and I'm totally into embellishments and she makes the cutest ones. I've always loved her embellishments. I love the colors that she uses, and I just love her crafty embellishment techniques. She can throw so many things together and it always looks so cute. So she's definitely my number 1. Always watch her videos. I'm not a big commenter because a lot of the times when I'm watching you guys' videos, I'm doing something with my hands, but I definitely watch. So number 2 would be Sweet Crafty Girl. This girl and her thumbnails, I don't know how people could even look at that thumbnail and not click on it, because her thumbnails are always so pretty. She's always got the cutest little hauls. She's always getting and finding the cutest stuff, and she's got a very similar taste in stuff like me, so I love everything she purchases. It's super girly, minty, pink, and the corals, like, I just love it. I love it so much. And Every video she posts, I have to look at it. It's just so cute. And I love her crafty style as well. She has a very, very similar crafty style from Solange. And because Solange is not here, she was somebody I used to watch a lot as well, which is Handmade by Xoxo. But she hasn't been crafting in a while. So I watch Stephanie because Stephanie crafts very similar to her. And yeah, she's my number 2. Number 3 is Alicia Ragman 510. Love me some Alicia. That channel is my positive go-to channel. If I want to be on a relaxed mind state and a positive state of mind and not super hectic and, you know, chaotic, I love watching her videos. When I'm drinking my coffee, when I'm taking a shower, or when I'm crafting and I need to listen to something, I love listening to her videos. I love, love, love Alicia's energy. It's just energy that somebody and everybody need in their lives. She's super positive. I love it when she says, I hope you're doing something crafty today, or you take 5 minutes for yourself to do something that makes you happy, because a lot of the times we forget to do that, you guys. We forget to take 2 to 3 minutes out of the day and just do something that makes us happy and content. And Alicia's videos always remind me to do that. So she's definitely on my top 5. Number 4 is V, Buzzing with V. Now, I haven't been watching V for a very long time, but I found her a few months ago. And I enjoy her content, you guys, so much. She is a super crafty chica. She creates the cutest projects. Her energy is always so fun. And she's just fun to watch. I love watching her projects. Super crafty. And she just gives me some good ideas. And she always makes me smile when I watch her videos. So Buzzing with V definitely is on my go-to right now. She uploads consistent and she's been doing her thing. You go, girl. She's been doing her thing. And then lastly is going to be Alicia, which is Love Letter Generation. I love her videos. She's probably the only person that I watch a 20-30 minute video from, because she can maintain my attention. I love her explanation to detail on swaps she receives, on hauls she makes. I love to hear her accent. I just enjoy watching her. And I always watch all her videos that she uploads. And she just makes the prettiest projects. And I love it. So that is my top 5 YouTube channels. Of course, I watch a bunch more, but those are the ones that I constantly see and upload consistent, and I'm constantly click, 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 click. I love it. But you know I love all my ladies. I have a list that goes on and on and on of all my crafty chicas. And next is favorite color. Okay, we're looking at it. My favorite colors, because I don't have one, would be mint green and pink. Those are my favorite colors. And they have been for a while. I am a total pink girl, and I don't think I'll ever get tired of it. So those are my favorite colors, you guys. Favorite tool. Favorite tool. I feel like everyone says glue gun, you know, because true, it's what you use the most. And of course, I can't live without my glue gun. It's my favorite form of glue to use. Excuse me, you guys. But I think I'm gonna have to say favorite tool. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know what's my favorite tool. It would have to be my die cutting machine. I've been getting more into it lately, and I've been die cutting a bunch of stuff and just getting more dies. So at the moment, it would be my Spellbinders Platinum machine. But yes, I do enjoy my glue gun, but it's not my favorite tool. It's kind of my most used tool, but my die cutting machine would have to be at the moment. And where did you get your love for crafting? I think I've always been creative and crafty in some way or form. I used to do nails, I did makeup. To me, that's all art and craft. And I've done hair. I used to make jewelry. So I've always done some type of craft related thing in my life. So it was only right to be into paper as I got older. But I got my love for crafting when I started watching Sabrina Ann. She just blew me away with her pocket letters, and it opened up a whole new world for me. And that's where my love for crafting began and is where it's at today. So, question number 9. When did you start crafting? That would have to be the end of 2016, early 2017. So, it's been a while, you guys, and what a journey it's been. It's been so much fun. I love it so much, and I love it today as much as I loved it when I first started getting into it. It blew me away, you guys. It took my heart by storm. I love crafting so much. It is a huge part of my life. I don't know what I would do if I couldn't craft anymore, because it's a huge part, and it's my go-to happy place is creating. So yeah, it was 2016, late 2016, early 17. And last question is number 10, which is, what's your favorite craft so far? What's your favorite craft so far? What would be my favorite craft so far? I would say pocket letters. Like, craft wise, pocket letters and flip books. Those are my favorite, I would say, because those are super fun to make. And I love making book style, like Happy Mail. It would definitely have to be that. But yeah, you guys, those are my 10 crafty questions. Let me know down below if you guys are going to answer these questions. This was super fun, and it's super fun to watch everyone's answers. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make some of these crepe paper rosettes that I need to use for a project. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.